527 North Dogwood Drive is located on the Marsh and Garden City Beach, just steps to the sparkling Atlantic Ocean and the famed Garden City Pier. Richmond Retreat features a semi-private day dock affording you the enjoyment of crabbing, fishing, or kayaking right out of your back door. 527 North Dogwood sits on the Marsh and Garden City, offering a great kayak cove. Home features third-level Widow's Walk offering expansive Garden City and ocean views. The downstairs family room opens to the screen porch, kitchen, and dining area accented with vaulted ceilings and skylights. The screen porch opens to open-air deck with steps leading to the marsh.